Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make whiteboard animation video in Canva. So first you need to go to Canva, sign up, create an account. You can go to canva.com or Canva sign up. Then all you have to do here is create an account. You can create using your Gmail or Google account. And then once you have created an account, then you can now go to Canva and click create a design. You can choose from any of this here. You can choose whiteboard, but for this time, let's choose presentation to start from scratch. So tap on presentation here. Now inside the blank page, you have to go to text, add a text box, and then type here whiteboard or any title that you want. This serves as an example. Now you can choose the font style. If you're looking for a specific font style, you can go to the search bar, for example, Oleo script, and then you can use this one right here, or everything is up to you. Now, once you have your word title here or the whiteboard title here, I am going to place this, drag this to the top. Now we have the title. Now, next is you have to go to elements, and then this time we're going to look for bulb light, like thinking idea, something like that. And then make sure that you choose or you tap on graphics. For me, it's the best. Then grabbing from photos. So you have to select the element right here, which is light bulb, and then place it anywhere or below. Now you can add effects. Once done, you can now tap on share and then download. Make sure this one is PNG. Okay, now download. Now you have to open or you can delete this and make it as blank page again. You can go to upload or you can do this one later. Upload the whiteboard or the picture that we have created. Go to apps and then search for Speedpaint. Take note, you can only search this or use this feature if you're using the pro version of Canva. Click this one and then upload the image that we have downloaded earlier. You can change some settings here, duration. Okay, also you can change the hand style. You can pick from any of this. And then once done, then you can now proceed with this. Tap on animate image. Click this one, wait for a couple of seconds, and you should see the result right away. So basically, this is how easy it is to make a whiteboard animation video in Canva. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.